When you're installing flexible metal conduit on the job site, it's important to get a nice, tight, secure fit between the flexible metal conduit and the connector. For this reason, Garvin Industries has designed a squeeze connector that allows this flexible metal conduit to be installed in the connector, like so. And then one set screw is quickly tightened down and clamps on the flexible metal conduit. The inner insulated ring prevents the wires from being skinned or nicked. These come in a straight version all the way through 4 inches, from 3/8 all the way up to and including 4-inch flexible metal conduit. And we also make a 90-degree version that functions the same way, but for added security and tightness of clamping action onto the flexible metal conduit, we've added 2 screws. So you can see where the flexible metal conduit slides in, the cable turns, the 2 screws are clamped down for a tight, secure fit every time onto the flexible metal conduit. These also come 3/8 inch through 4 inches, and they are available online at garvinindustries.com.